What's going on YouTube? It's Gadgets Boy. Welcome to another video, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at Huawei's latest foldable smartphone. Let's run through the details. This is the Huawei Mate XS, and this has got some improvements on there as well. For example, the Falcon Hinge is now improved with over 100 components in there to give you that nice tension when opening and closing it as well. And you get that clicky sound when you open and close it, which is quite satisfying actually when you do it. Elsewhere, it's 5.4 millimeters thin. That's on the thinnest side of it. And this has got that flying fish cooling system in there as well. I think it's the first time they've done this for this product category. And it cools both sides of the devices. So when you're playing games or whatever you're doing, that's pretty cool. It's going to keep it cool, so you don't have to worry about your device getting really hot. The screen layer itself, if you're worried about peeling it off or anything like that, it's got polyamide film, then OCA, and another polyamide film as well. So it's kind of like three-layered. So it's nice and robust. So if you're going to be using it every day, it's nice. Gives you a nice texture as well when you run your finger over it. It's nice and smooth. On the front, when you fold it up, you got 6.6-inch front display. And on the back, you got 6.38. And when it's open wide, diagonally, you've got 8-inch of display, which is 2480 by 1148. And it's really nice and sharp. It's vibrant. I really like it. When it's folded, it's 11 millimeters thick, so it's quite kind of thick, but not too thick. In fact, if you put a Mate 30 Pro next to it, that's how thick it actually feels and look as well. In terms of processor, it's got Kirin 990 5G SoC in there. So out of the box, you'll be able to use your 5G SIM card and you're ready for the next generation of data speed. For its camera, it's got a quad camera setup. So you have one 40 megapixel camera, one 8 megapixel, a 16 megapixel, and a 3D depth sensing camera in there. So for zooming, you can do 4 to 5 times zoom in. It's got optical image stabilization and AIS as well. And the 40 megapixel is f1.8, the 8 is f2.4, and the 16 is f2.2. You got ultra wide, 3 times optical and 30 times digital zoom as well, which is pretty cool. For battery, you have 4,500 milliamp hour battery split across the 2 sides. So this should last you the whole day with a bit left to go as well. It supports fast charge out of the box. So inside the box, you will get a 55-watt supercharging brick. So you'll be able to charge your device really quickly back up to 100% in no time. On the operating system is running EMUI 10, so it's up to date as well. And what you'll be able to do on this is have that continuity with applications. So for example, if you're looking on the front screen, you're looking at your maps, for example, you can open it wider and you still get the same sleek experience, which is pretty cool. I don't know if I prefer this method, their version compared to the Samsung Galaxy Fold, but it looks really cool using it on the day. Also, what you've got now is multitasking as well, so you'll be able to swipe from the right and load up 2 applications side by side and have another one that's floating on top of it as well. So true multitasking here, which is pretty cool for a screen this size. For pricing and availability, check out the description area. That will be there for you to check out. So that's it for the Huawei Mate XS. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, let me know as well. And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification if this is your first time on the channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.